same place I set it with mine.
Now, I can't see, so I'm going to have to have something my reading glasses on.
To the right. You should have shot it out to the right just a little bit. Right and down.
Oh, I see it, yeah. Yeah, I see it good now.
I didn't just
that
pick
was
mine.
I have to, it's weird because I have to aim with my reading glasses, but shoot with my stunt without them.
Oh, dead center, dude.
Huh?
You hit dead center. You hit just a cookie hair or something in dead center.
Yeah.
And it flies. Good shot.
I got the finger off the trigger, don't worry.
Good shot there, Reese. I got 4 bullets left for my Draco. We're having to go in and grabbing more.
Say again.
Nothing. I said I got 4 bullets. We're having to go back in and grab more.
All right, here goes.
You know what? This thing didn't catch you anyway. It didn't fall in over.
Take this. No. Take these 4, dude.
Set it down. Set it down. You ain't shooting it. Set it down.
I ain't setting motherfucker down. You ain't gonna shoot me, is you?
Maybe. We'll see. Let me cover my ears.
I had to keep my sunglasses. My reading glasses. But then try to see the target through them without the reading glasses. And that is not easy.
Go ahead and fire in the hole there,
Is there 2 in it, or you have 2?
I don't know. Go ahead. I have
how
no
many
what you do. You'll know when you're empty because it'll stay cased open.
I know that, but
All right. Go ahead.
I know how they work.
Fire in the hole, Ace-hole.
Fire in the hole.
Hit left and low.
Can't see the target. There's the target.
The shades on it, shadows on it from the trees.
I have to put my glasses in the way.
It's easier to see at night with the lights. It's like you hit dead center but high, just barely.
Yeah, see, when I do that, it's because I'm shooting at the right target.
You almost
when I
hit
do
the
it the
black
other
dot
way,
in
I'm
the
shooting
dead
at a
center.
shadow. See, I can't tell which is the shadow or which is the target.
Yeah, shoot at the shadow then.
Still got another one in it.
Go ahead and shoot that. I'm going to shoot mine one time. I don't know where
Go
the
ahead,
laser's at.
You want me to hold up? Go ahead, shoot.
Let me see your
Yeah.
for a second.
There's the right lasers on top of this. I'm just gonna stick in my in my pocket. I ain't got nothing in my pocket. Ears. You got that red dot set? You got that red dot set?
It won't set. It's not a red dot, it's a laser, but
I'm laser, but it won't set.
nah, it's way off. You ain't gonna hit it. It's just take a shot at it at lasers. I got a bio laser for
With
it.
a laser or without it?
With you can try with it. It ain't gonna hit though. I'm just telling you shoot it. You ain't gonna hit nothing with it. And don't put it close to your face, you're gonna get your nose
I can't shoot it up here.
No, it's made to hold down the side.
It's made to hold like this. So where's the laser at? Is it on?
It's on. It's on right there. Come up there, blow it out, but it ain't empty until it's probably empty.
What?
Probably
Empty it?
I think that's it. Try it again, see if it shoots. I think it's, I don't have 4 in it.
Damn it! Did you see when I clicked, it was dead on the dot, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, see, I need to get a good laser for it. Laser. It's a cheap laser. I just took off the air, something to throw it on to shoot temporary.
My pocket's still loaded.
Boo.
Still loaded.
Let me stop this thing. I forgot it was recording.
You filming the shooting?